People are not happy in Gozama's recent post, guys. The people are saying good. The best solution is to be single forever, guys. So for those who don't know, Ozama, she's married to some kind of guys, Gombe, guys. They've been married for almost 2 years. So she took to her Instagram account, and this is what she has to say. She has messed up her husband porch today, and she tried to fix it with a nail glue, guys, and some spray. It didn't work. Now she has to tell him. She came back with the feedback, the message to show that she has told the husband, what happened, and the husband's respond, no stress, baby, I love you. The problem is not the husband's response, guys. It's a profile picture. We know that Uzama, she's in a polygamous marriage, guys, and people are asking themselves, would say this man has many wives, so why I decided to put Uzama lapana profile picture, guys? The people are saying maybe she just texts herself, now she commit to act as if it was Mr. Gombe, guys. So people are saying about being in a polygamous marriage means that you are just wasting your time. People are just